Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, we are back again with a new question today based on profit and loss. So now before we move on to the question, students, here is the description of our courses. If anybody is interested and wants to enroll for the course, you can visit our website www.quantifiers.in. Students, we also have a Facebook group where regular questions are being posted for your practice. You can join this group. The link for the group is also given in the description. Okay, students, so here is the question for today. Everyone, please pause the video, give this question a try, and then only watch the solution. Okay, students, so I hope all of you must have given a try. Now, let us discuss this. So first of all, let us see what is given in the question. So the first information that is given is the cost price and the mark price ratio is given. Okay, so let me write here cost price divided by mark price. It will give the ratio that is 3/4. Okay, now coming to the next condition, the article is sold in such a way that the profit percentage is 60% more than the discount percentage. Now students, be very very careful. They are not saying the actual profit. यहाँ actual profit के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. They are talking about profit percentage and discount percentage. So let me give you an example. So what they are trying to say here is, if let's say discount percentage is, let's say, X%, right? So the profit percentage will be 60% more than X, right? It will be 60% more than X. So that will be basically 1.6 times X%. So I hope ये point सबको समझ में आ रहा है. Okay, students. So now students, you can see if it is given that profit percentage is 60% more than the discount percentage, and I have already explained you that this means that profit percentage will be 1.6 times of the value of the discount percentage. Now students, you can see if I divide both of them, that means if I divide profit percentage and discount percentage, so I hope all of you can figure out what we are going to get. You can see we'll get 1.6 divided by 1, right? 1.6 divided by 1, or I can also say that it will be equal to 8/5. So I hope students, this point is clear to all of you. Now students, one more thing you should notice here, that there is a profit, right? There is a profit. So we can definitely say that selling price will be more than cost price. क्योंकि अगर प्रॉफिट है तो सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज्यादा ही होना चाहिए. एंड देयर इज अ डिस्काउंट गिवन. सो इफ देयर इज अ डिस्काउंट गिवन, that is for sure that mark price will be more than selling price. So this information we also have. Now students, let us try to use these two informations. So students, now you can see we know the ratio of profit percentage and discount percentage. And I hope all of you know what is profit percentage. Profit percentage is basically profit divided by cost price into 100. So this is basically the profit percentage. And if I talk about discount percentage, तो discount percentage का मतलब होता है discount divided by mark price into 100. Right? So I can write it in this way. Now this is equal to 8/5. So students, with this, we'll be able to solve this question now very easily. This 100 and 100 gets cancelled out. So basically 8/5 is now, I can write it in this way, that this is profit divided by discount and into mark price divided by cost price, right? So if I simplify this part, I'll get this part, that profit upon discount into mark price by cost price. This is equal to 8/5. And now students, you can see we already know the value of CP by MP. CP by MP हमें पता है. So यहाँ से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं that profit by discount, it will be equal to 8/5 into CP by MP, right? If I bring this to the right hand side, it will be into CP by MP. And I know that CP by MP is nothing but 3 by 4. So students, from here I'll get 4 into 2 is 8. So I'll get 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5 students हमारे पास रेशियो आ गया है. This is profit upon discount ratio. Very, very important information. Students, ये actual profit और actual discount का ratio आपके पास है. So what I'm doing here is now, students, I am assuming that actual profit is 6 rupees. And I'm assuming that actual discount will be 5 rupees. Because ratio is 6 upon 5. तो मैंने profit को 6 rupees मान लिया है, discount को 5 rupees मान लिया है. Now students, a very, very simple question. All of you already know that what is profit. Profit is basically selling price minus cost price, right? This is selling price minus cost price. So I can say that basically the difference between SP and CP, the difference between SP and CP is 6 rupees. And we also know what is discount. Discount is mark price minus selling price. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये वाला जो difference है, right? Difference between MP and SP, that is nothing but 5 rupees. So students, from here, we can easily figure out that difference between mark price and cost price. Difference between mark price and cost price, that is what? 11 rupees. Now students, if you just look at the ratio, there is a difference of 1 here. There is a difference of 1 in the ratio, but the actual difference, what we are getting is 11. So what I'll do is I'll multiply 11 both sides. So students, from here, I'll get cost price as 33 and mark price as 44. तो यहां से मेरे पास cost price 33 आ गया है और mark price will be equal to 44. Now students, the question is the profit percentage, actual profit percentage. Now students, if we know the cost price and we also know that there is a profit of 6 rupees, so we can easily find the profit percentage now. So profit percentage is nothing but profit upon cost price into 100. We know the profit, that is 6. Cost price we have calculated 33. So now you can easily calculate it. All of you must be knowing that this comes out to be 2 by 11. And students, all of you should know that 1 by 11 is basically 9.09%. So here we are getting 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 will be double of 9.09. That will be 18.18%. 18.18%. So students, 18.18% is the answer, right? I hope the question is clear to all of you. Thank you, everyone.